Hello, and welcome to this self-hypnosis tutorial for clear breath. Now, just take a moment to sit comfortably or perhaps lie down. You can sit up straight or rest your back against your chair. Just take a moment to let your body get calmer and more comfortable, to find a position that feels just right for you. Take a moment to notice any tension anywhere in your body, maybe in your shoulders or jaw, and gently let the tension go. Now, take the time to notice your breathing getting a little slower. As you listen to the sound of my voice and any other thoughts in your head or noises outside your head, or as your body continues to relax, if your eyes need to close or if your head needs to fall down, that's okay. Now, eyes open or closed, there is no need to fall into a deep state of trance to let your immune system clear up your nose and your airways. Trance, deeper light is not for everyone, and you can just let your body and your immune system use their own resources. Just keep noticing your body getting soft and heavy like a rag doll. Now, if you lift your shoulders a little and let them drop down again, you'll notice a wave of calmness, of warmth, washing down your whole body. Let's try it again. Taking a deep breath in, holding it, raising your shoulder, and as you breathe out, letting go and noticing the warmness, and that feeling of calmness washing down your whole body. Now, as your breathing gets slower and slower, picture a lake in your mind's eye, a cold lake somewhere on a mountain. Perhaps a lake you like to return to, or a lake from a movie, or a lake from your mind. Gently allow the picture in your mind to get clearer, crisper, looking at the surface of the lake. Look around the lake in your mind's eyes and notice the mountains around, the snow and the sky. Notice the cold blue sky. Notice the black rocks and the crisp white snow. Notice just a tiny shiver of wind sending tiny ripples on the surface of the lake. Notice the cold sun on your face. Notice the cold warmth on your face. Notice the ripples of cold wind brushing against your face. Take a moment as your breathing continues to slow down to notice that wind on your face. Now, in your mind's eye, take one of your shoes off and slowly start walking towards the edge of the lake. Notice the cold black rocks and pebbles under your feet. Soon, you will dip your toe in the cold, icy lake. But decide for a moment which of your feet will go in first, and notice your legs tense up a little as you feel the shiver of the ice-cold water. Go ahead now and dip the tip of your toe. Notice the shiver, the shrill, shocking your whole body, and notice your nose clear up for a moment as your body shivers from the cold and the cold air enters your lungs. Now take a deep, long breath. And now that the shiver has passed, walk into the lake, slowly feeling your feet and your body turn icy from the cold. Your job now will be to suppress your shiver, entering the water, completely relaxed, taking deep, long breaths. Go ahead. Now, crouch down in the water up to your belly button and feel the cold rise up in your chest and head. Sit down completely now with the water up to your chest, letting your arms fall down in the icy, cold water. Your hands and feet might tingle a little and they might start feeling numb. As you lose sensation in your hands and feet, picture a fire rising from your heart, keeping your body strong. Take a few more deep, deep breaths. And notice the cold air in your nose and your sinuses and every cavity of your sinuses. Notice the cold air inside your head, just behind your nose and eyes, opening up your airways. Your body is warm and numb now, and you can forget about your body. You can just focus on the air. The air outside and the air in your nose is cold, opening up your airways. The air is getting colder and colder. The temperature has dropped sharply and everything is freezing. Notice the lake turning to ice. You might hear the surface of the lake getting colder and colder. The surface of the lake creaking and hissing a little as it turns to solid ice. Snow has begun to fall from the sky now, and tiny dry snowflakes are dancing on the surface of the lake. Watch the wind blow the tiny snowflakes all across the ice and feel the wind on your face, and gushes of dry snow gently hitting your face. Picture now the tiny ice crystals inside each snowflake. Millions and millions of tiny blue, white ice crystals. Picture the healing blue-white ice crystals entering your nose and lungs. Picture the healing cold opening up your nose, your sinuses, your lungs. Feel the ice crystals find and wind their way, opening up inside your sinuses and lungs. And finally, feel the clear breath, breathing so clearly now. The air, so pure and so crisp, the cold mountain air. You're breathing clear and crisp. Each time you breathe in, feel the purity opening up all your airways, and each time you breathe out, feel the obstruction dissipating, your sinuses opening up. Spend as much time as you like now in the cold lake of your mind, breathing all that pure oxygen, breathing in and out, opening up and opening up. Soon you will learn to keep those healing ice crystals somewhere inside you, perhaps in the back of your head or in your chest or your lower belly. You can keep them in as many parts of you as you like. All you will need to do to activate your breath healing is allow your vision to blur, breathe slowly out of your nose, and feel your head recline as you breathe out. You can do this anywhere. Go ahead, try it out. Just open your eyes and fix a point somewhere. Now, watch your vision get instantly blurry, and as you breathe out slowly out of your nose, your head will fall down slowly, and you will return to that cold lake with the cold wind and ice crystals against your face, entering your nose and lungs. Opening up, opening up, opening up.